What information do I need to provide to PayPal to change my nationality?
Hello there. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of changing your nationality on PayPal. This might be essential if you've moved to a different country or obtained a new citizenship. It's a straightforward process, but there's a few important pieces of information you'll need to provide. Let's delve into the details.
Why do you need to update your nationality?
Updating your nationality is important to ensure your PayPal account aligns with your legal status and place of residence. PayPal might require you to provide certain documents to verify your nationality. This is crucial for account security, transaction authorization, and compliance with legal requirements in your new country. Keeping your information up to date will ensure smoother transactions.
What information do I need to provide?
To change your nationality on PayPal, you'll generally need to provide the following. 1. Proof of identity. This could be a copy of your passport, driver's license, or any other government-issued identification that verifies your new nationality. 2. Proof of residence. This might be a utility bill, lease agreement, or a bank statement that shows your name and address in your new country. Remember, the requirements might vary slightly depending on the country and PayPal's policies at the time.
How do I update my nationality?
To change your nationality, you should 1. Contact PayPal support. Since this option is not directly available on the PayPal dashboard, you need to reach out to PayPal's customer support. You can do this by phone or email. 2. Submit your documents. After contacting support, they will guide you on how to submit the required documents. This may involve uploading the documents to a secure server, emailing them, or faxing them. 3. Wait for verification. Once you've submitted your documents, PayPal will review them. This can take a few days. After the review is complete, they will update your account information. Changing your nationality on PayPal is a vital step if you've recently changed your citizenship or moved to a different country. Remember, keeping your account information accurate ensures you can continue to use PayPal services without interruptions. We hope this video has made the process clearer for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal's customer support. They're there to help you.